Hi everyone, welcome to another smooth as butter video. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the admin stuff that might usually get overlooked. Admin stuff like adding members and roles and permissions. So let's dive right in. To add a member to your workspace, first of all, you would have to at least have the access to be able to do so. So admins generally can do it, but other members may or may not do it, depends on the setting. So if you go to the workspace settings, first of all, you will be able to see, as an admin at least, you'll be able to see this option where if you add additional new members, would they be able to add members to the workspace or not? So what does this mean is that either all members can invite new members or only owners and admins can invite new members to your workspace. So by default, only the owners and admins can invite new members to the workspace. Now, if you click on the Members tab, here you'll see a list of all the workspace members. Now, you can invite a team member by typing in their email address. And you can do so multiple times. You can bulk invite team members as well, so you can invite all of them. Now, you can either assign them as an admin or a member or just a member. And then click on this button to send them the invite. Once you have invited members, you can also click on 3 dots to change their role. Let's say if you just invited them and by mistake you added them to a different role, and then you can save the changes there. Now there's also a button here to add members, and when you click on that, it again brings you up the same screen. Now there's a few differentiations between what an owner can do. Owner is basically the person who's owning the workspace and who's owning the subscription to that workspace. What an admin can do and what other members can do. So as an owner, as you can see in this table, you can pretty much do everything. An admin can also do everything except delete the workspace. And a member cannot do anything around the workspace itself. They just have options to add items to the library and do some other library activities, except of course delete all library items. So in an ideal world, if let's say if you are the owner or creator of this workspace, you would have owner access and you might want somebody to be able to co-own it or help with some admin activities. So you might assign 1 or 2 other members as admins of this workspace, and then they or you can add more additional members. So maybe other employees in your organization to this workspace, you would add them as members. Now this page is on their help website, so I'll also link this page to the description of this video so you can have a look at it in much more detail. But that was a very quick video on managing members and managing roles and permissions in Butter. Hope you liked this video. Do let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this video. And of course, do like this video, share this video with your network, and subscribe to this YouTube channel because that helps a lot. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.